Welcome, 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 welcome to the beautiful, beautiful surroundings in the village. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful places, people. Beautiful view, beautiful greenery. All beautiful, all beautiful, all beautiful. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the village life. Rural at its best. Look at this. Hello, hello, hello. All beautiful, all beautiful, all beautiful. All beautiful, all beautiful, all beautiful. This is just the beauty of it. The beauty of it all. The beauty, the beauty, the beauty, the beauty. The beauty, the beauty, the beauty, the beauty. This is what we are surrounded with. This is what one has to enjoy. The beautiful, the beautiful, the beautiful, the beautiful. The beautiful, the beautiful, the beautiful. Don't you just love it? Rural at its best. Let's take you further, let's take you further, let's take you further. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can see some water, the locals are flying away. Yeah, it's just beautiful rural, it's just beautiful rural. This is it, this is it, this is it. Beautiful, less beautiful, less beautiful, less beautiful, less beautiful. More beautiful, 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 beautiful village life. As we take a beautiful walk this wonderful morning through the village life, show you some of the beautiful sceneries. It's all beautiful, beautiful. It's all beautiful. There's the beautiful land. Beautiful land. Beautiful land. Beautiful, beautiful land. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful land. Beautiful, beautiful village life, my friend. Take a beautiful walk. Beautiful land. The land of the green. The land of the village. All beautiful, all beautiful, all beautiful, all beautiful. Taking a walk this morning. Show you what I see every morning. Welcome, beautiful people, to the village life. Good vibes only. I hope you enjoyed taking a walk with me this morning as I show you the village life and the beautiful scenery we see every morning here. Thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, just taking a rest a bit from the long walk. Yeah, it's a bit hot today, but the wind is there. It's a bit of a breeze. But yeah. I got to show you around a bit, so you got to see my village a bit from the outside of it. Usually I shoot when I'm in the garden. So yeah, today I just thought let me take you out with me for a walk. So yeah, I'm just resting a bit here, before I get back to the house. And thank you so much for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for enjoying the content. Keep on watching as I keep on producing more content for you. And thank you so much. Yes, you can see like the wind is blowing away the leaves here. So yeah, it's a beautiful weather this morning. As you're walking back now to the house, it was a beautiful morning walk. Bit of an exercise, and also get to see the beautiful natural side of the village, beautiful life we live in. So I hope you enjoyed as I take you through the walk also. And yeah, I probably will be doing more of these videos just to show the scenery outside here, my village. It's indeed a beautiful, beautiful natural vibes here. It's a cool view, cool views to see early in the morning, throughout the day also. And the weather today is perfect. Good one, thank you. Good vibes only.